Best way to build outdoor kitchen, review parks. There are a few things to consider when building an outdoor kitchen. The second thing to consider is the layout of your outdoor kitchen. The third thing to consider is the design of your outdoor kitchen. Once you've considered these three things, you're ready to start building your outdoor kitchen. How to build an outdoor kitchen on a budget. Building an outdoor kitchen does not have to be expensive. If you have some basic carpentry skills and a few tools, you can build a great outdoor kitchen for a fraction of the cost of hiring a contractor. In this article, we will show you how to build an outdoor kitchen on a budget. The first step is to decide what you want your outdoor kitchen to include. Do you want a basic grill with a few shelves, or do you want a full-featured outdoor kitchen with a sink, stove, and refrigerator? The most important part of building an outdoor kitchen is the foundation. How to choose the best materials for your outdoor kitchen. When planning your outdoor kitchen, it's important to choose the right materials to ensure your food is cooked to perfection and that your kitchen lasts for years. Countertops. A good countertop material for an outdoor kitchen is something that is heat resistant and durable, like granite or concrete. Storage. When choosing storage for your outdoor kitchen, it's important to select materials that can withstand the outdoor elements. Cooking surfaces. When selecting cooking surfaces for your outdoor kitchen, it's important to choose materials that can withstand high temperatures. Flooring. When choosing flooring for your outdoor kitchen, it's important to select a material that is durable and can withstand the outdoor elements. How to install a gas line for your outdoor kitchen. If you are thinking about adding an outdoor kitchen to your home, you will need to install a gas line for your grill. How to design an outdoor kitchen that's perfect for you. Designing an outdoor kitchen can be a fun and rewarding experience, but it's important to plan ahead and make sure you're taking into account your specific needs and wants. Here are a few tips to help you create the perfect outdoor kitchen for your home. Make a list of the features you want and need in your outdoor kitchen, and then start planning accordingly. You'll want to make sure your outdoor kitchen is situated in a spot that's both convenient and comfortable. Outdoor kitchens can be as expensive or inexpensive as you want them to be, but it's important to factor. How to make your outdoor kitchen weatherproof. Your outdoor kitchen is the perfect place to cook up your favorite grilled foods all summer long. But before you can start cooking, you need to make sure your outdoor kitchen is weatherproof. With these tips, you can ensure that your outdoor kitchen is ready for any weather. How to cook in your outdoor kitchen. Now that the weather is getting nicer, it's time to start cooking outdoors. An outdoor kitchen can be a great addition to your home, and it's a great way to enjoy the weather while you cook. An outdoor kitchen can be a great place to cook, but it can also be a great place to eat and relax. How to keep your outdoor kitchen clean. But with a little bit of preparation, you can keep your outdoor kitchen clean and clutter-free. With these tips, you can keep your outdoor kitchen clean and mess-free all summer long. Accessories for your outdoor kitchen. When you're cooking outdoors, you need the right tools for the job. That's why we put together this guide to the best accessories for your outdoor kitchen. Of course, the centerpiece of any outdoor kitchen is the grill. You'll need a place to store your grilling tools and supplies, so be sure to get a storage unit that's built for the outdoors. A sink is a must-have for any outdoor kitchen. A countertop is a great way to provide extra workspace in your outdoor kitchen. How to use and care for your outdoor kitchen. An outdoor kitchen is the perfect way to enjoy the summer weather while cooking your favorite meals. However, before you can start cooking up a storm, you need to know how to use and care for your outdoor kitchen. To use your outdoor kitchen, start by assembling the grill and any other components that you need. In order to keep your outdoor kitchen in good condition, you'll need to perform regular maintenance tasks.